Hey, it's Jim from the Woodworking Corner. Today we're making this floating wine bottle holder, so stay tuned. Okay, we're using this offcut to make this wine holder, and here are the dimensions. The overall length is 9¼ inches. That's from tip to tip. The width is 3¼ inches wide. The hole is 2 inches down from this edge, not from this edge. And the hole diameter is 1.5 inches. When making this cut, I like to make this cut a little oversized. I'll show you why in a minute. I like to give myself a little extra room when I'm cutting my 45s. That's why I leave the piece long in the beginning. Here's a pro tip. If you measure from that point to 8½ inches, which is what I'm doing here, then you draw your line to the top of the piece. Then from the top of the piece, you draw your 45 and you'll be perfect for 9¼ inches. Now I'm measuring down 2 inches from that first edge, not the tip edge on the back. From the first edge, measuring down 2 inches. I am setting the measurement to 1 7/8 inches. I've seen plenty of videos where people drill this hole at a 45. Personally, I don't see any need to. Trying to move the drill press into that direction, I think just creates an unsafe position for the drill press. So I just drill it straight hole. It works fine. And grab yourself some 220 sandpaper and sand over the edges. I don't use a round over bit on the router for this. I like the edges to be kind of sharp, but obviously just take off the sharpness with the sandpaper. And then all you need to do is just finish it off with whatever you like to seal it with. I use some paste wax, some feed and wax wood polishing conditioner, or some butcher block conditioner. Since this is, I guess, technically a food item, I'm going to use a butcher block conditioner. Just a quick tip though, if you plan on putting on some design on it like this with the Cricut, do not finish it first. It will not stick. The lettering will not stick to this if you finish it first. And there you have it. A simple and easy project to do with your offcuts. Hope you guys give it a try. Thanks for watching. Alexa, what is half of 3 3/4 inches?
From topcookery.com. Half of 3/4 on a tape measure is equal to 6 inches.
Alexa, what is half of 3 3/4 inches?
From scrapish.com. Half of that is 1 3/4 inches.
Alexa, divide 3 3/4 by 2 and give it to me in inches.
This might answer your question. 3.75 divided by 2 is 1.875.
What is 1.875 in inches?
From maniacs.info. Therefore, 1.875 is between 1 inch and 2 inches on the ruler.